Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by enabling background sounds on your iPhone so Airpods can play steady audio in the background. First, open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Audio/Visual. This puts controls in one place. Once done, flip the background sounds toggle on and set a comfortable volume. This mixes with media. Make sure your AirPods are connected via Bluetooth, otherwise the audio will default to iPhone speaker. This initial step ensures the system routes ambient audio to your AirPods rather than interrupting other apps. Now you refine type and mixing so background audio suits the activity. Tap background sounds and choose from noise, rain, ocean, or brightness. Each emphasizes different frequencies, so pick one that masks distractions. Then adjust the balance and overall volume to avoid overpowering speech or music. If you want layers, toggle use when media is playing so sounds play with podcasts or music. Make small changes and test with the AirPods on. This helps you hear interactions and prevents fatigue over long sessions. Finish by testing and confirming the experience across apps so nothing overrides your background audio. Open Control Center to quickly toggle background sounds while wearing AirPods and play a podcast to check layering. If audio won't route to AirPods, restart the AirPods or iPhone, because a simple reboot often clears Bluetooth routing glitches. Still stuck? Repair the AirPods or reset accessibility settings. This clears corrupted profiles. One quick troubleshooting tip: confirm AirPods firmware is current. Outdated firmware.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.